Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and clean out the left ink sump on a Ri2000. If you guys have any error codes, please contact Ricoh Tech Support. Get a case started, have them troubleshoot with you. You don't want to avoid any kind of warranties. Add the links to where contact them below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. And let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is going to open up our lid by grabbing the unit from the center and lifting up. Next, we're going to go over towards our left ink sump. Now your left ink sump is going to have one little screw, that's a blue one, that's located here in this corner. We're going to get our Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to remove that screw. Next, we're going to grab the ink sump from the center part. There's two little cutouts here. And you're just going to carefully lift this up. There are two holding pins on this side. So you might have to push your ink sump a little bit towards the left and pull up on it. Okay. Once that's out, we're going to grab this ink sump. We're going to dump the ink out of it. We're going to put some water inside these little holes here, kind of move it around, pour that water out. Make sure you have a little towel. You're going to clean the top, clean any other area where you might have gotten ink or water on. And then we're going to put this back in. Now there is a little tab here that's going to line up to a little opening over here on this side. And remember, those two little guide pins need to go back into their little spots here, the little holes. So when we took it out, we're just going to carefully put this back in. Okay, we're going to put it just to the left and make sure those two little locking pins go into their spot. Over here towards the right, you'll see where I'm talking about, that little cutout. Let's get this camera a little lower for you guys and show you where that's at. Okay, so we're going to make sure this little tab here lines up right there. I'm going to lift it up again so you can see that tab. Right there. See a little tab right there? Make sure that goes into there. Make sure you got the two pins on this side in place. Okay, make sure this is nice and flat. And next we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that screw back in. Now if you have a magnetic screwdriver, that always helps. Okay, so once you got that screw in there, you don't want to turn it too hard. It is plastic, you don't want to break it. So once you feel a little resistance, you're just going to do a quarter turn more. And that should be enough torque. This process will be the same for the rear ink sump, or the left rear for the white one. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the R towards the bottom right. Next, we're going to go on our screen here and we need to reset that notification. Alright, to reset the notification, we're going to go to our maintenance icon, which is right here, located next to the shirt. We're going to go to our maintenance list. We're going to look for left ink sump. We're going to press clear and then clear again. Once that's done, your notification will be reset to 0%. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Leave us some comments. Let us know what videos you guys want to see next, and we'll try to get those posted for you. Thank you for joining us and have a good rest of your day.